everybody, it's Deb from D&D Art Gallery. Hope you all are having a good day. Today I have a 12 by 12 staple back canvas. It is a used canvas. I had scraped it earlier of a painting I did that I really didn't care for. But today we're going to do a swipe, and we're going to do it all in metallics. And my swipe color is going to be the Artist Loft Metallic Cobalt Blue. And the rest of my colors are DecoArt Metallic Ice Blue, Artist Loft Silver, Creamcoat, let's see if we can find copper, metallic copper, Artist Loft Metallic Leaf Green. The last color is DecoArt Extreme Sheen Gold. So let's get started. I think I'll start with the green. Just try and put a little ribbon of paint down the sides here, all across. You don't have to be too careful where you really place your paints with a swipe. Okay, next I'll do the ice blue. Next I'll do the silver. And pouring consistency today is not even a mound, just goes right back in there. I should talk about pouring medium. 2 parts Floetrol to 1 part paint with a squirt of GAC 800 in all the paints. And I did thin them with my recipe of 90% water and 10% Floetrol. And I did add 1 drop of silicone in all my paints today, except for my swipe color. It's the Spot-On Treadmill silicone, 1 drop in all colors but my swipe color. Next I'm going to put down the copper. This copper color is so pretty. And last I have my gold. Just try and fill in where there's some space left here. And I will put some gold up at the top. Okay, now I'm going to tip this around a little bit so all the colors come together and cover the canvas. Okay, I just have to go get my plastic to do the swipe with. And now I have to add my swipe color. Okay, a little more here. Okay, let's swipe. Just want to make contact with the paint, not really push it down. And if I miss on the edges, it's no real big deal. I can just go back up there and finish that off. Okay. Wow, look at those cells. I am going to go back later and finish my sides and my corners. Making sure everything is covered. Okay, I'm going to torch it. So I'll just call this one the Metallic Swipe. And I think it turned out very nice. tip it a little bit this way. Back a little bit. I really like the shape of these cells. Okay, I'm going to get you down for a close-up. And I think the more it sits too, the more cells are going to come to the surface. Okay, we have the upper left-hand corner. You can see the shiny gold in there. That blue, it's so pretty. And the copper with that blue in the background. It's very pretty. And this is the lower left-hand corner. This is the upper right-hand corner. Very pretty in there. Copper, blue. Here's some of the green cells. And the lower right-hand corner. So let me know what you think. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Or like, share, subscribe if you haven't. Hit the bell and choose all so you'll know the next time that I do post a new video. And until next time, take care, everybody. Bye.